Another happy client that saved a vast amount of money on their kitchen renovation project. What did you have here before in this kitchen?
Well, it was a brown oak, ugly finish that had been, it's 30 years old now, so it was all fingerprinted and worn off. The finish was worn off, so it was just really just generally ugly and needed a real good facelift for sure.
We refinished the entire kitchen, and also we did 2 vanities in both bathrooms. Here's the question: how much did it cost compared to replacing everything with new cabinets? Have you ever looked up on the internet?
Well, I've seen pictures, and I've had friends that have gotten quotes, looking between $20,000 and $50,000 for new kitchens, and there was just no way that we were going to be able to swing that. So I started looking around thinking that we would just refinish it. So, comparatively, I think it was a quarter of the price, if not way more, in savings. So that was awesome.
How do you think everything turned out, comparing to your expectations? When we're seeing the final result, what do you think now? Did it meet the expectations?
Actually, it way exceeded my expectations. I really didn't know what to expect. I just was hoping for something that looked a little cleaner, a little more modern, a little fresher. Didn't know, when you think about painting cabinets, you think, I don't know, I have friends that have done it and it's always a disaster, but the quality of this stuff and the durability, just touching it, scratching it as it is now is incredible. So I have to say it far exceeds my expectations. You're a perfectionist and everything is just incredible. So I'm very grateful, very grateful.
Thank you, Shelley. So several days ago, we refinished Shelley's kitchen, and here's how we did it, step by step. Altogether, it took us 1 week to refinish the entire kitchen, 2 days on site and 3 days for the doors in shop. On the very first day, I stopped by to mark all of the doors, took them all with me to the shop where we had cleaned them, degreased them, sanded them. Then we applied our high quality primer, and as always, put our finest, the highest quality top coat that we always use, polyurethane from Italy. And then when the doors were pretty much ready, on that last day, we started the on-site part of the process and started doing all the preparations in-house. So the on-site part of the process took us 2.5 days, and here's exactly what we did. First of all, we covered all of the floors and put up the plastic walls and masked off the inside of the boxes of the cabinets, as well as all of the walls and other surfaces like countertops that needed to be protected before we started any sanding, priming and painting. And as always, we degreased, cleaned, sanded, primed and top coated the boxes with the best products available on the market. While we were running the spray machines, we had very nice airflow created by these powerful fans with the filters on them, so there was no contamination or dust in the air. And we definitely need this every time to ensure that all of the surfaces after we spray them feel really nice and smooth. For the top coat on this project, we use our favorite 2-component polyurethane from Italy, which lays down really smooth and feels like silk. Everybody I know absolutely loves this material for its superior durability and extremely smooth finish. So when we got to the end of the process, we put all of the cabinet doors up, installed the new hardware like hinges, we also installed the new handles, and as always we did a thorough cleanup and a walkthrough with the client. Any final words for the neighbors, for people who are thinking about kitchen cabinet refinishing?
Anybody that's even considered doing this needs to give you a call. Number one, contractors are in general not great, just in my expectations over the years of my experience, you got here when you said you would, you did it in the time you said you would, there was incredible communication between us, so I 100% they should give you a call.
Thanks so much, Shelley. Appreciate the kind words, and I hope this will be helpful. Till the next one. Bye.